What a day, what a day. It's 2 o'clock, so we're wrapped up earlier than what we normally be done. But I'm taking my mum out for a bit of tea tonight, and I didn't want to be late back. So we got down to Enduro Hub Experience, just off the M6. It's Alsager, I think that's how you pronounce it, Alsager. Not sort of bit south of Crewe, just past the Knutsford services going south. And they got a Facebook page. I'll see if I can find the link. What a place. The place is just a crazy bit of ground. It's got everything: tunnels, streams, hill climbs, bridges, logs, tyres, jumps, motocross tracks, berms, everything. It was wheelies and skids all day despite the weather. The guys that run it, a guy called Paul, I think Paul's the dad, I think Dean's the son. Dean's a cool guy. We had the same hats on today. And Dean's got a mate called Jordan. They were on their Vark Stark. They do a Stark experience there. And they took us all around this piece of ground, in the woods, in the rivers, in the streams, up the hills, up the jumps, over the tyres, across the logs. And really sound lads. They were pointing out the difficulties and where there are some hazards. We broke up into a couple of groups, and I went because it was Carla's birthday, and I've known Carla from social media and from biking together. We met up, we didn't know each other. She was getting into off-roading and we went up, done a bit of green laning together. So it was her birthday, she invited me along, and we've just had the best day. It's been best half a day. A load of really cool lads there, all different experiences, all different types of bikes, and I thoroughly recommend Enduro Hub Experience. Check out the video. See you in a bit, Mum. I'm going to wash the bike and I'll be ready to take you for a bit of tea. See you in a bit.
But we're not so fine.